What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing the Magic Trackpad by Apple. So let's take a look. Here is the box from the front. Just has the picture of the trackpad on the front. It says Magic Trackpad. Let's flip it to the back. On the back side, there's just a little logo in the corner. There is kind of like a security tag in the back, some information of where it was shipped from, barcode, and some jargon on the side. Let's flip it back to the front. Let's take a look at the bottom side. Nothing on the bottom side. Let's flip it around. There is the Apple logo right on the back. Flip it to the other side. Nothing on this side. And where the opening is for the box, there's the Apple logo on that side as well. So this one is a pretty easy unboxing. All you have to do is pull this little tab here. I'm going to hold down the box. And we're just going to slide that away. Nothing inside the box. Put that off to the side. Okay, so here is the trackpad right away when you open up the box. Looks like it has some protection plastic on it. There's the trackpad itself. Put that off to the side for a second. You're going to get one of those manuals, set it up, and then you're gonna get a charging cable. So this is a USB to lightning cable that you get. Flip it around. Just some paper on the cable just to hold it in place. So that's pretty neat. And that's pretty much all you get with the box. There, all of it is in frame. As much as I can get in frame. And let's go ahead and connect this trackpad to the computer so we can see how that works real quick. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trackpad. We got the input for where you put the lightning cable. On the side, there's nothing on the side. Flip it to the back. Has these little feet on the back. Nothing on this side. But as we notice on the front, there's a little on and off switch. Little on and off switch on the side. So let's go ahead and turn on the switch here. So the switch is turned on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this trackpad to our computer. Alright, so this is my computer. I have Iron Man on him. It's because, so let's go to the top of the computer. I'm using a Mac. Gonna go to the Bluetooth settings, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Let's go to Bluetooth up in the corner, and then let's check out where this trackpad could be. Right here. So we're gonna go ahead and press connect. Click that. Okay, so this whole time I was using my mouse. Now I'm gonna switch my hand over to the trackpad right here. Let's go ahead and move our hand around, and there I go. I try to show you that as much as I possibly can. Here's the trackpad. I'm gonna push it down, and then we're gonna move our finger on the trackpad, just like this. There you go. And you could probably change the settings if you wanted to. If you wanted a little bit more sensitiveness to the trackpad, but I personally like just the stock, whatever it comes with is pretty nice for me. So what's nice about this trackpad is that you can click it. So all you have to do is just press in just slightly on the trackpad and you get this response back, which is pretty nice. That is your way to click the mouse when you're using the mouse, and you can use gestures like zoom in, zoom out, swipe, things like that. Pretty much anything that you are normally used to on the Mac laptop with the trackpad on the laptop, you're able to do that just with this pad. Now, if you wanted to know my personal usage for this is editing photos. I like to just be a little bit more hands-on with some of the sliders in Adobe software, and this kind of gives me the ease of that. At least my personal preference, that's what I like to use. Sometimes you don't get a lot of capability with a mouse. I do use the Mac mouse, the Apple mouse, but sometimes it just gets a little tedious for me, so I'm a person who has been using laptops for a long time, so I'm really used to the zoom in gestures and just doing everything with your fingers. That's the reason I like to have a trackpad. And my setup here, for your information, is a laptop connected to a big screen. And if I want to use a trackpad, I would have to be using a trackpad off to the side over here and then looking at this screen, looking at my big screen. And that's just a little too much to be so far away that way and then also looking this way. So it's just nicer to have something a little bit more directional where I'm looking and I can still use the trackpad where my body's not spread out in two different directions. So that's the reason why I got this. And it's also nice because it's portable. I could take this anywhere, just like the mouse as well. There you have it. Just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys and a little rundown of why I use it, in case you wanted to know that. And maybe if you're looking into getting one of these trackpads, it's a great investment to have, because if you're like me and like to use a trackpad, it's perfect. Alright you guys, so that is the unboxing of the Magic Trackpad by Apple. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help me out, and it does push this video to more people that are searching for this product just like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.